A young woman wants to clear her debt but worries about high interest costs. Her friend introduces her to the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first, then move down the list. She sees how this saves money over time. That day she learns, debt freedom isn't just about speed, it's also about being smart with every rupee. With a fresh perspective, she begins to reallocate her finances, prioritizing the debts with the highest interest. Every payment becomes a step closer to freedom, and as days turn into weeks, she watches her progress unfold. The journey is challenging, but each milestone builds her confidence, revealing a path to a brighter, debt-free future.